How to manufacture good quality concrete hollow blocks. CHB Construction in the Philippines has suffered repeated damage from earthquakes. Houses damaged by magnitude 7.2 earthquake in Bohol 2013. This shows damaged municipal government office building after the magnitude 7.2 2013 Bohol earthquake. Face shell of vulnerable CHB failed and filling mortar inside the wall appeared. Poor quality CHB is extremely weak. Substandard CHB in the Philippines easily breaks by just falling. Usual quality CHB of Japan is stronger. Even stamping breaks substandard CHB in the Philippines. Usual quality CHB of Japan withstands. Good quality CHB is strong enough to withstand heavy vehicles.
Key points are shown for manufacturing good quality CHB. Key points are: 1. Good quality sand. 2. Necessary amount of cement. 3. Well mixing of materials. 4. Compaction. And 5. Curing after demolding. 1. Good quality sand. Strength. Appropriate particle size distribution. Volcanic sand could be used, but the appropriate mixing ratio must be considered. An example mixing ratio is volcanic sand 4 and volcanic ash 6. 2. Necessary amount of cement per cubic meter of concrete for CHB. 250 to 300 kg cement is necessary. Aggregate is 1,290 to 1,320 kg. And water is 55 to 65 kilograms. 3. Mix the materials thoroughly. Mixing by machine is recommended for well mixing. Mixing time should be 4 to 5 minutes. After mixing the base materials of CHB, grasp the mixed materials tightly by hand. When open your hand, they should keep the shape. 4. Compaction. Good compaction is very critical. Strong vibration by machine is recommended. Strong vibration compaction is much more effective than simple pressure. Simple manufacturing machines are used in small manufactures, but these are unable to provide the strong vibrations required to produce good quality CHB. Comparison of compressive strength with different compaction methods. Strong vibration by machine increases compressive strength by 53% compared to light vibration. 5. Curing after demolding in curing chamber. Maintaining appropriate humidity and temperature is important during the curing process. Bad practice. Placing in open air should be avoided. The CHB will lose moisture and become weaker. A curing chamber in the previous picture is much better, but in hot climates, covering it with plastic sheeting will be acceptable.
Good quality CHB could create safe, durable, fashionable and comfortable houses. Comparison of CHB units. Left, conventional CHB in the Philippines. Right, good quality CHB in Japan. Examples of houses constructed with good quality CHB. Modern design CHB house in Japan. CHB walls are beautiful and need no finishing. It is also possible to finish with materials other than CHB. This is the case when wood is attached to a CHB wall. Interior of the house. No finishing on the inner walls. High-rise apartment building in Makati, Metro Manila. Interior walls. Simple painting without plastering. No or simple finishing would reduce construction costs. By making your customers understand this, good quality CHB could sell at higher prices. Many CHB houses survived the 2011 Great East Japan earthquake and tsunami. CHB houses are durable. CHB structures remain in perfect condition even 40 years after construction. Stylish design and comfortable indoor environment could be created by CHB. Thank you for your attention.